Now that you've taken a stab at most of the canvas, we're going to decide on a couple of important numbers or key metrics that we measure to understand how the business works. With key metrics, you kind of want to go, is there one number? When this number goes up, everything else works. A design company, like an architect, let's say, or a law firm or a service business, a really important number is billable hours. If that number is low, then it means that all of the costs of the building and everybody's wages, etc., is gobbling up our profit. However, we're really efficient at charging our staff out for lots and lots of money. That drives the rest of the company. For like a membership business, the amount of new memberships coming in each week is a really important number that has a lot of flow-on effects. So think about like what number has the most effect on the rest of the business. The simplest metric is profit. So let's start there. But what causes profit? Revenue. And what causes revenue? The number of units sold. Importantly, all these things so far are numbers. Numbers can be metrics that are tracked. Now we can start mapping out a cause and effect for our different metrics. The number of units sold is directly influenced by new customers and also returning customers. New customers is caused by ad reach. The number of returning customers might be caused by the quality of our product or customer satisfaction. Make sure you can make this a quantifiable metric, like a score out of 10. You could keep breaking down this chain further and further, of course. So we might choose these 3 key metrics for our new company, with new customers being our hero metric and the others being supporting metrics. 6 months later, we may have completely different key metrics. If we've started a charity, it all works much the same way, except we replace profit with services delivered or surplus. Our dollars raised might come from fundraising drives or monthly donations. And we'd have some metrics on how to measure them. If at all possible, we want to describe the uniqueness of the business in its metrics. For Twitter, a really important number is the amount of people you follow. They know that if you follow 20 to 30 people, you're more likely to come back and actually become an engaged user, which is why if you sign out of Twitter, next time you go on Twitter and re-sign up again with like a fake email, you'll see that they just hammer you through this like brutal process that forces you to like follow a whole bunch of people because they know that it's the number that drives everything else. If it's something you can measure, then you can measure it each week and what gets measured gets done. And if you make that number go up, everything else works.